This is number 5 in Essential Elements, Book 1. At Piero's Door. This is a little bit different than 2, 3, and 4, but we are using the 2 strings, just like we did in number 4. But the rests are a little bit different, and the combination of notes is different. Placement of the thumb is on the side of the fingerboard, not under the fingerboard, and it's halfway between this part and the bottom of the fingerboard. So halfway is about right there. You can use plucking with first finger or plucking with second finger. Keep your elbow elevated and your wrist straight. Here's number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4.